Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today we're going to talk about getting some new tools again. This tool here is a ball joint press. A lot of times you can do the ball joints without having to take the control arm off of the vehicle. You can press it on the vehicle, which makes it a lot easier. And that's what this tool is for. As you know, I do have the tool already to press the ball joints. It's a smaller type C-clamp. This one is a little bit bigger and a little bit deeper and a little bit more heavy duty, as you're going to see in just a minute. So it comes with the C-type clamp, and it also comes with a bunch of different attachments. All right, so enough talking. Let's open it up and let's take a look at it together, and we'll see how this looks. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to, you know what, let me bring you in a little closer. Okay, let's take a look at it and see what we got here. All right, this is the ball joint press itself. It's called as you can see, it's a BJXR9. All right, so this is the directions that obviously will come with it. As I said, it's a ball joint press. This is the C-clamp or C-frame that I was talking about. This one is a little bit bigger than the one that I have down at the shop now. And these adapters here are a little bit different than the ones that we have on the other type of a press. All right, this is some of the other things you can use it for. As I said, you can use it to push out any kind of pins in the backing plate that you need to pop out, such as the ones in the bottom over here, or whichever one is pressed in. All right, just put the clamp around it. We can pop it off right on the vehicle without having to take the backing plate off. Of course, you know, like I was saying, you can use it on universal joints, and you put the frame itself in a vise, and you can use it as a press to press the joints out. Okay, fairly simple. And of course, it gives you all the directions as needed. And we're not going to read that because that's not English. But this is how it works on the vehicle itself. Like I said, you leave the control arm in the vehicle, and you've seen me do this many times before. We put our adapter down on the bottom, and we push the joint right out through the bottom right there. And then to put it back in, we just put the flange on here. It's the whatever size flange we need here, and then we press the joint back into the control arm itself. All right, so let's put that to the side. Let's open this up, and this is the tool itself. As I said, it said Matco on the box, but as you know, it is made by OTC. All right, this gives you all the adapter numbers right here that you need to use. And in your book, it'll tell you which tool, which size adapter you will need. These are the adapters. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at these. Let me open them all up, and you don't want to watch me open them. We'll come right back. Okay, now that we have everything opened up, you can see that there's lots of different type adapters, from the regular ball joint would fit inside here to all of the specialty ones that they have that are just different sizes and different depths. Okay? And then you have one like this that's cut off on the side here, because a lot of times it just doesn't fit in there properly. All right, so this is the part over here. You know what, let me just get this all set up here, and we'll come back to it. Okay. Okay. This one here goes in here. And these, depending on which adapter you need, they fit right in there, just like this, and then they pull right out. I will tell you this, they have an O-ring on the end right here, and the O-ring is good because it actually holds it in place when you push it into the housing, just like that. And depending on which one you need, you can just push them in here, such as this, depending on which application you need, and it fits right in. All right, now if you were going to push it out, the ball joint, you could use something like this. Goes inside here, just like that, and then you could push it out with that. But depending on which type of an application you're using it on, that's how it would work. Okay, so that's our new ball joint press. I can't wait to use this and give it a shot and see how it works on the newer vehicles out there today. Like I said, a lot of the adapters are cut out a little bit, so that way you could fit around the ball joint that may not be able to get a clean, round tool over the top of it. That's why they have the cutouts. I will tell you this too, on the paper that comes with it, it does tell you what the adapters are. Let me bring it in. I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay? That tells you a lot of what everything is used for. Obviously, we have the C-frame itself, and then the removing and installing adapters are all inside here, all different ones for different applications. All right, so I hope I was helpful explaining the new tool that we got to the shop. I can't wait to use it and see how it actually works. I do think it's going to work a little bit better than the other because it's a little bit heavier duty C-clamp. It's a little bit heavier than the previous one that I have, so it should last a lifetime. I will point this out to you. Don't forget to lubricate the threads on there periodically just to make sure that it'll last a lifetime. That's it. All right, I'll put a link down below. You can check it out in the description, and you can take a look and see if it's something that suits your needs. I will also put it in my Amazon store below, so check it out and see what you think. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.